Welcome back to another episode of the Back Weekly. It's currently 10:30 on Saturday night and I'm still editing this video. So here's a wee intro because I forgot to do one this week. Anyway, enjoy the video of us renovating this wee staircase over in Cambuslang this week, and hopefully you enjoy this wee video. Currently we've stripped out the old metal rails which are in place here on this small stair. These are all been stripped out, and what we'll start to do is dismantle the rest of the handrail and parts of the base rails.
Lovely job, John.
What's that? What we're doing at this stage is we're now starting to sand where we've taken off the old handrails. We're also sanding parts of the other posts just to get the thick layers of paint that were lathered on over the years. We're just sanding it all back and getting it back to a nice finish so the client can start painting. This is us now starting to get the base rails in. What we've done is we have pulled these over to one side of the newel post just to split the difference so that it gives us a nice overhang over to the stair side. As you can see, it's all about just trying to get a nice paint finish so that you're not going to get as much cracking. If you hold the two timbers flush, you end up with a nasty crack, so we always try and bring timbers forward or back to avoid this. Finishing off with another quick sand, we are then ready to start getting our handrails in. As you can see, now we've got the mid rail in up top. We're using a foaming glue and screws to fix these handrails back, which gives you a nice solid fixing. Starting off now, we start to cut our spacers in and check our levels for our newel posts. We've checked the level and I think these worked out around 95mm in between each post, which gave us a perfect clearance right down to the bottom. It's very difficult with these. Even if you're half a millimetre out, by the time you get to the bottom you can be about 7 or 8 mil out depending on how many spindles you have, so it's really important to get these as accurate as possible to allow for the best job. Here we have the finished article of this new handrail upgrade. As you can see, what we've done is put a small overhang down here, and we've used a small decorative bead just to take up any of the bad woodwork which was underneath. Again, going right round all the way up to the top, keeping everything uniform and nice. Our spacing's been nice throughout the whole project, and yeah, this one's turned out really well and the client was really pleased with the result.